Peekaboo. Do peekaboo. He's posing.
Can you do peekaboo?
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Or slap yourself in the face.
Tyler.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Say peekaboo. What?
Where's Tyler?
Peekaboo.
Tyler.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. I see you.
He's smiling at the camera, Logan. You like those green beans, huh?
Do you like green beans, Logan?
Mmm.
You look like you worked up a sweat over
Holy
there.
cow. He's eating the rice now. Peekaboo.
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 Hey, all else fails, eat with your hands. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
All
Tyler.
done?
Are you all done? Yeah, you are? All right, sweetie.
Thank you. Oh, gonna take his plate, Daddy's gonna drop it.
All done? Thank you.
Thank you. All done?
Oh, thank you, Ty. All done?
Oh, we found some more
Want
rice
more
on
drink?
on the tray.
No?
All done.
All done. High five. High five. Yeah.
Yay! Oh, excuse you. Ugh.
You look like you've been swimming in food. Here, wash your hands.
Wash your face too.
Stuff all over your face.
Wipe your face. You're gonna blow your nose.
Good job. Yeah. Good job. Good job, sweetie. So proud of you. You're a big boy. You want to do it? You do it. Wipe your face. That's a necessary after dinner activity when you shove rice up your nose.
Oh my god. Excuse you.
Show us how the piggy eats.
What are you doing, Tyler?
You shoved rice up your nose, so you trying to blow it out.
What in the world? Tyler,
All done?
you're turning all red, buddy.
You want to dye it out now?